Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the option to choose an operating system at startup if you have a dual boot or multi-boot options on your Windows computer. So perhaps you have a multiple operating system installed and you want to have a default one that you will automatically boot and you don't have to be prompted every time your system restarts. And if you want to specify which operating system to boot. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar, ay search mo lang yung view advanced system. And then click mo lang tong open. So dito sa kanyang properties mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito sa taas yung computer name, hardware, and advanced. So kailangan mo lang select tong advanced. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang select itong startup and recovery. So ito yung system, startup, system failure, and debugging permissions. Kailangan mo lang i-click tong system. And then dito sa kanyang startup and recovery, makikita mo dito yung default operating system. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select ka lang dito yung operating system like Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay? So click mo lang yan. And then next, dito lang sa pinakauna yung time to display list of operating system. Kailangan mo lang itong i-uncheck. Okay? So, uncheck natin. Click mo itong OK. And click mo itong OK. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-disable ng choose an operating system at startup Windows in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.